If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you are subscribed to a QuickBooks payroll service, you can print your annual and quarterly federal payroll forms by selecting Employees, Payroll Tax Forms and W-2s, Process Payroll Forms from the menu bar. On the File Forms tab, you then select which document to create from the listing shown, and then click the Create Form button to open the Select Payroll Form window. In that window, then select your form and filing period, and then click the OK button. Depending upon which form you selected, a specific wizard will launch to pose questions and show you information QuickBooks has collected, just like the Easy Step interview does. Use the wizards to enter or verify information QuickBooks has collected, and answer all the questions on each screen until you are finished creating the forms. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.